So now you come to this, you go to your Chrome, then type studio.youtube.com, then click in. Okay, once you click in there, you're going to choose the account that you're going to use. Okay, now let's choose the account that I want to use right now. So this is my normal YouTube channel. I want to choose another account. Okay, so now I'm going to choose one of the accounts here to create the channel. Okay, so let me choose this particular account here. So now that I have choose the account, now I'm going to create a channel with it. Okay, I'm going to create a channel. No, here now there's no picture on it, it is just empty. So now I'm going to click on this U here to first of all to create my name. So here now I'm going to place my picture. So you can choose any random pictures from your account. Okay, so now I'm going to choose this young man that is here. Now let me just use it as my profile picture. Okay, so once you choose it, you just click on save and save it. Okay, now name, if you don't like this particular name that is there, you just click on this pencil icon here and choose the name. Now this our channel is all about cooking. You have to make use of, you have to add cooking stuff on your, that is relating to cooking on your video. Okay, so let's say the name of my channel is Sis Francisca's Kitchen. Okay, Sis Francisca's Kitchen. At least it will be easier to remember. Okay, then you save it here. Do you understand? Just that make sure that you choose the name that can be easier to remember by your audience. Okay, now handle, which I've choose the handle by itself now. So create a channel. We are done with it now. Now we are going to create a channel. Okay, let's check this handles. Like it's not, everything have not, okay, it's have saved now. So let's save it. It's have tick code, so let's save it. Okay, now we are going to, after doing all these things that I mentioned, remember first of all you choose your picture. Just go to your gallery and choose any picture that you want. Okay, so either you choose a random picture or you take a picture immediately, but I would prefer that I will advise you to pick a picture from your gallery first, then you put it here, then choose the name by clicking on this pencil icon here. You write the name that you want. Okay, so I choose the name Sis Francisca's Kitchen. Okay, then save it here, then handle. For the fact you have already choose the name, then it will place the name that you use as your channel back to your handle, or you can choose any handle that you want. But if you want to leave it like this, it's okay, you can still leave it. Okay, then save it. Do you understand? Then when you come down to this place that it says create channel, you click on create channel. Do you understand? So now we are creating the channel. Okay, so after set and done, it will show your picture here, down here, that it says create, it says you. Okay, let me show you. Okay, this place that said you here, so it will show your picture there. Do you understand? Once you come to this place now, you are going to place your YouTube banner. Okay, so I've already created a YouTube banner on my, so here now you're going to place a YouTube banner. Okay, up here. Now I've already created a YouTube banner before on my InShot app. I'm going to drop the video at the corner here. So there you will go and learn how to create a YouTube banner with your InShot app, or you can use your Canva. So now we are going to place our YouTube banner. Okay, you have to create your custom YouTube. You see, as you can see now, it's big here, but you can still make it to be small. You can keep on reducing it. Okay, reduce it, reduce it, keep on reducing it. You see now the thing didn't enter here. Do you know what you're going to do? You're going to see reduce the, keep on reducing it until it fits this place. Do you understand? Once it fits this line here now, it will be big both on your laptop. That is when when you look at this place, you see that it is all device. Do you understand? So being it television, laptop or phone, it will fit in there. Okay, but since this thing didn't enter very well, since the words and the rest of them didn't enter very well in this place now, that means if you watch, you can see it on your desktop, on your laptop or your desktop or your television, but it won't show very well on your phone. Do you understand? So that is why you have to make this, you have to make sure that all this, both the words and the pictures, fix in this all device. Do you understand? So I'm going to still edit this, my what they call it, my banner, so that it will fit in all devices. Okay, so let's check, whether the thing, whether the picture will fit in. Okay, so I've fixed everything. It has fit in here now. Okay, and it will show now. The network is bad, so it will still show. Now you come down to this place. Now add your video description. If you don't know how to add your video description now, let me tell you what to do. Go over to your ChatGPT to generate your description. Okay, so I have the one that I have already created. I'm going to paste it here now. So you have to make sure you put your channel description so that your video will be properly optimized, so that your video will rank very well. Okay, you can see that under that your channel description, there is where they wrote keywords. Okay, so let me show you here now. They wrote keywords here now. See the channel's keywords. Okay, so now that is why it's very important to write your video description. Okay, now we are going to save it now. Okay, so we are saving it. You can see at the description now it will pop up. Okay, the network. So now our channel is ready. Now we are going to start posting. Okay, so you are going to create your first post by clicking on this plus icon down below. Okay, and create your first video. Thanks so much for watching. If you watch this video up to this point, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so. Okay, bye bye.